Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. How are you my dear friends and my all viewers? I hope you are all fine and good. Today you will see in this video, you will see stylish older women short pixie haircut designs. Most beautiful and stylish unique short pixie haircuts ideas in 2024. If you like the video, don't forget to like it. Today video is very special, so friends watch my video till the end so that you do not miss any hair cutting and hairstyle and haircuts ideas. If you want to get most beautiful haircut, then you must watch the full video and take a screenshot of whichever haircut or hairstyles you like. After taking a screenshot, you can save it to your mobile, and whenever you have your haircut or hairstyle here, by showing this picture, you can get your haircut from any beauty salon in your area. After watching the video, you must comment in the comment section how did you like our video, how do you like our channel video, and what you want to see on your channel. I will be very happy to follow your comments, so friends will definitely comment. I would like to introduce you to my YouTube channel. In my video, I give you brand new hairstyle, haircut and hair tie color ideas, which is about the latest trending haircuts, hairstyles and hair tie coloring ideas from all over the world that you can use to make your personality more charming. If you are a fashion lover and want to know the latest haircuts, hairstyles and hair tie trends in fashion, then subscribe to my channel Fashion Blast. My channel publishes videos that focus on new and emerging haircuts, hairstyles and hair coloring trends for girls and women, both in the fashion industry from all over the world. If that sounds like it could be very helpful for you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. I have a small request that you will share my video with your friends and also with your family, because everyone needs hair cutting and styling. Sharing your video will help them too, and you will help me. Somehow I will keep bringing good videos for you guys, so don't forget to like my videos, subscribe to my channel and share the video. I hope you enjoyed today's video at the same time, so take care friends.